Can I show 6 easy steps to automate Coinbase trade data to Google Sheet in under 20 minutes? And teach you something new about Coinbase that you did not know? Well, that is the challenge that I have set for myself today. So, let us set that countdown timer. I have got 20 minutes to teach you something you did not know. Start! Let us begin with the scenario. Imagine having to manually key in all your trades from Coinbase every day, each time you made a trade. Or maybe you are just trading to analyze your win rates or find that date where you deposited some cash into Coinbase. Thanks to the nifty Coinbase feature, these scenarios are no longer cinematic fantasy. I have found the secret lies in a hidden Coinbase feature called Coinbase Developer API. This program unlocks the magic of trade data extraction, allowing you to automatically download trade data from Coinbase on your preferred scheduled time. Let me show you how. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account, and then go straight to this link. Click on Create API Key. Go ahead to give it a purposeful name. You will notice that View Read Only is already ticked. And that is the only thing what we will need today. We can leave the other two boxes unchecked and also IP whitelist blank until we need to configure this next time. Go on to click on Create and Download. This will download a JSON file containing the API key and API secret that you have just created. I renamed the downloaded file to something more meaningful. Step 2. Next, we need to set up Google Cloud Project to get a service account that our program can use to write to Google Sheet. Head over to Google Cloud Console link and create a new project if you have not. Next, go to APIs and Services and click on Enable APIs and Services. Search for Google Sheet and enable it. Do the same for Google Drive API. Lastly, create the service account. Remember to copy down the email address of the service account. Step 3. Next, in the Google Sheet to write the data to, click File and then Share to others. Paste in the service account email address and provide it with editor rights. Save it. This completes the permission required for the program to use the service account to write data into your Google Sheet. Step 4. Our Python program would need a host to run it on schedule automatically. For this purpose, I will be using GitHub repository and GitHub Actions. The best thing is that this is totally free. Head over to github.com and create a private repository. Once created, you can then go to the repository settings, and then secrets and variables, and then actions. Securely store your Google Sheet service account details and Coinbase API key and secrets here. Step 5. Open up your favorite coding software. For this video, I am using Visual Studio Code, but you can also choose to work directly on GitHub Workspace. Clone the repository first to begin coding your program. Open up ChatGPT now, and you can start providing prompt for it to generate a Python program to extract the data. This steps requires some trial and error. Here are some pro tips. Number 1. Ask ChatGPT to provide debugging information at every important step like authenticating, calling API, writing to Google Sheet, and more. Number 2. Also remind ChatGPT to provide informative error messages in the Python program. Number 3. Provide the name of your service account file, Coinbase API key file name, the Google Sheet name, so ChatGPT will create a program that is customized to your requirement. Lastly, remind ChatGPT on initial data loading to load historical data, and then delta loading for subsequent periodic data loading, and ensure no data duplication. Step 6. Once you are done with the Python program, the next thing to work with ChatGPT is on GitHub Actions to schedule the program. I asked ChatGPT to create the GitHub Actions workflow YAML file that will run the Python program on every 3. Now that you are ready, push all the code and manually run the workflow once to check on the results. Debug and fix until you are sure it can work. Yay, did my video help you? If it did, please subscribe for more videos about free tech hacks, earning money online, and click on the notification button so that you don't miss out any of our uploads.